love for all of you. So today, ang dami kong i-release ng sale items. And I won't be telling the price, but it will flash on your screens naman. Okay? So let's start. Okay. Yeah. So this is a long trunk, medium size. And this is brand new. It comes with the long strap right here. Okay? Naka-attach pa siya. So brand new ito, guys. Right? So, pwede siyang ganyan. Okay, and you can also use the long strap. I just don't want to remove this kasi, syempre, ayoko siyang ma-damage. So, yan. Pag ano naman siya, ganyan siya. Alright? So, again, this is brand new. Okay, the price will flash on your screens. Okay, next. This is a Prada bag. Okay, in this nude blush color. This is the regular size, the normal Prada size. It doesn't come with anything. It doesn't have the card. It also doesn't have a dust bag, so it comes as is. So it has a really cute color. However, meron lang siyang mga obvious dirt here. Dito sa harap. Okay. Ayan. Okay. And obvious dirt again on the zipper part. Here. There. Okay. So this bag is really selling very, very low. It will flash on your screen. Okay. No inclusions. Just the bag as is. And the long strap. Okay? So, do it like this. Like that. Okay? And it's a handbag. This. So cute. Okay? Alright, the price will flash on your screen. Next. Another Prada bag. This is a bigger one than the previous Prada. Okay, it's in papaya color. This one comes with a dust bag and the card. Here. Here. Yung card niya. Ito. Ayan. Kita? Okay, and alright. So, ito naman is better condition than the pink one. Eh, kasi dito, dahil yung color niya hindi masyadong dumihin, hindi rin kita yung mga obvious signs of usage. So, ito lang, mga minor, kaso naaalis naman siya ng kamay ko. So, ayan. Just a minor, scuffing here or stain here. This can be removed with a leather conditioner. The bottom part, mga dust lang talaga. Ito sa harap. Ito. Yan. Ito. There's a little bit of dirt here. Kita? Okay. Alright. So the price of this Prada bag will flash on your screen now. Okay, so if you want to get this one, just DM me before anybody else gets this. Okay, right, next. So we have another Celine for this week. This one is a mini, Celine mini in black color. So this is in great condition. Meron lang siya mga white marks sa likod. Ayan. No scuffings on the corners. This one. Very, very light lang. On the other corners, wala. Just one. Okay? Sa likod lang, may mga white marks siya. Okay? So inside, it's also this. It's also clean inside. It's very, very roomy. Ang laki niyang bag. So perfect for women on the go. Just need a bag organizer. Okay? So again, this is the Celine luggage tote in mini size, black color. Comes with a dust bag. Okay, the price of this bag will flash on your screen. Okay, so just DM me. Next. This one is a Dooney and Bourke bag, and this is brand new, unused. The tag is still here. Okay, so it's a hobo shoulder bag. You can wear it like this. Okay. Or like this. Kept unused siya, pero meron siyang white mark right here. So maalis din yan ng leather conditioner before we release the bag. So alisin na naman siya. Okay? So this is I think below 8,000. So just look at the price on your screen. Okay, this is Dooney and Bourke brand new hobo bag, kept unused. Alright, girls? Okay, next. This one. Sorry. Okay, this one is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull in PM size. It's a very, very cute bag. It is in excellent condition. Here, kita. Okay. So, ito siya. Sa handles, wala pa siyang kahit anong cracks. Wala siyang gasgas, wala siyang biyak. On the corners, ito siya. Wala rin siyang damage. On the other side. Ito siya. Girls, look at it. Okay, so napakaganda pa niya. Sa corners, ito sa corner, meron siyang minor scuffing. But very, barely noticeable. Ito din. Ito siya. Okay. On the other side, it's the same thing. See? Alright. So far, yun lang naman yung damage na. Or yung flaws niya. Yung bottom part is clean as well. No scratches. Okay, so this is in the PM size, very small for me. But if you are 5'3", 5'2", this is perfect for you. I have this in MM size. That one is perfect for my size. Okay, so this is below 40,000. The price will flash on your screen. May nanliligaw na po sa bag na to. So anybody who pays in cash, in full, will get the bag. Okay, it comes with the dust bag. Okay, next. A brand new Marc Jacobs sling bag. Okay, this is a Marc Jacobs brand new sling bag. It comes with the dust bag and the long strap inside. And 2 zipper siya. Here is the first compartment. And this one is the bigger compartment. Okay? Tapos, this is the long strap that it comes with. Here, ayoko siyang alisin, guys, kasi nga, it's brand new, so, huwag na natin siyang gamitin. I'll just post a reference picture for the sizing. Okay, so it will just flash on our screen para makita nyo how it is working. Okay, also the price is right there. And if you're interested on this brand new Marc Jacobs sling bag, just DM me on IG. Okay? Next is alright, next is our Coach tote bag. So this one is like a Neverfull. You know, it can go like this and like this. So mas malaki siya, but pwede rin siyang nakatupid. So the owner prefers to wear it like this. So kaya meron na siyang hole. But pwede mo pa rin siyang ganyan. Parang never full talaga. Okay? So you can wear it this. Okay? Or yun nga. Ganyan. Like that. Okay? So this one is in good condition. Minor dirt at the bottom part of the bag. Here. Ayan lang siya. Some slight dirt here. No scuffings on the other corner. No scuffings. And this one. Ayan. Okay. So stain lang siya. Pwede ko yan alisin. Okay. Dito naman sa edges niya, meron siyang ito. Minor scratch. Okay? Sa handles naman niya, look. Here. So, wala naman. Malinis naman siya. Okay? So, this bag is selling under 10,000 pesos. So, you'll see it right now. And, if you want to get this bag, this very cool summer bag, DM me on IG before I post it. Okay? Next. This one is an MK shoulder bag. Okay? It's in color white. There. And this very nice gold chain. And this MK chain. Ano ba ito? Okay. So, this is in good condition. No major obvious stains or dirt. But of course, may signs or obvious signs of usage na siya. Hindi na siya yung sobrang puti as a brand new bag. So, sa ilalim naman, if you want to look at the corners, there. So, ayan. Okay, may mga dirt lang siya all over the bag, pero very, very minimal lang. Hindi siya sobrang kitang-kita at malalaki. Okay, still a nice bag to use. Here. Okay, so ayan siya. Ito dati ang bag ko. Nung panty pa lang ang aming, hindi pa kami masyadong may kaya. Ito pa yung aking kayang bilhin before. Favorite ko ang MK brand. Because for me, it's very classy, very elegant. Okay, so this is right there, flashing on your screen. Okay. Okay, next bag is a Kate Spade unused dome bag right here. Okay, it is in this very, very cute summer color. Again, so ganda ng mga color ng bags natin ngayon. Okay. So, dito, meron lang siyang mga minor dirts. However, hindi naman siya masyadong obvious. Okay, handles naman, sobrang ganda pa niya. Okay, walang scratches or anything else. That. Okay, so you can wear it like this. Or a simple handbag like that. Or a shoulder bag. Or a crossbody bag. Okay? So, syempre sa akin, matangkad kasi ako. I'm almost 5'5". Medyo nasa above my waist siya. But if you are like 5'1", 5'2", so it will fall below your waist here. Okay? So this bag is only under 10,000 flashing on your screen. So if you want to get this before someone else does, DM me on IG. Next bag is brand new Kate Spade dome bag again in this navy blue color. Here, so ano pa yung tag niya? No other flaws. There is a long strap that comes with it here. So, hindi ko rin siya binubuksan. Kasi nga, brand new siya. So, ayoko siyang pakialaman na. Alright? So, ito yung loob niya. It's also a roomy bag. This color is very nice kasi pwede mo siyang i-partner sa kahit anong outfit. Pwede sa jeans. You also don't have to worry about you also don't have to worry about color transfer pag nag-jeans ka. You can wear it as a handbag, shoulder bag, crossbody bag. You can use it in a formal event, office, or casual. Okay, so very, very versatile bag siya. Okay, so the price will flash on your screen. Okay, anybody who likes it, just screenshot and send me a DM on IG. Alright, next is this Lacoste, a big Lacoste tote bag. This is, I think, considered as an XL size. Okay, so it is in good condition. So, kanya siya kalaki sa loob. There. Okay, so mura lang to. Price will now flash on your screen. So, meron lang siyang scratch dito. There. Corners. Ayan, wala naman. Okay, walang scratch. Walang punit. Walang gasgas. Okay, this is I think in a chocolate brown color or charcoal. Okay, so price is right there. Okay, if you need a weekender bag, this is perfect. Okay, alright, next bag is a very, very beautiful Michael Kors Speedy bag. Here. So, gandang-ganda ako rito. Actually, niregaluhan namin yung mom-in-law ko ng same exact bag. So, napakaganda niya, guys. It is in excellent condition. Corners are clean. Except for this one. Meron lang siyang medyo minor scratch. But the other ones are great. Okay, so napaka-roomy niya. Ang ganda niya, ang elegante niya. Just like the Kate Spade bag, it can be worn in a casual attire, casual event, or in a formal event. So the price of this bag is right there. Okay, compare it with other sellers. You're not gonna see this bag with that low price. Okay, so kung gusto niyo ito, hindi agad dahil hindi ko pa napopost sa IG na kukuha na sila. Okay? Empty Speedy bag. Next. Is a pre-loved Valentino bag here. Okay. So this one is in good condition. Meron siyang mga dirt here. White marks over here. Little scratch over there and here. So, but still, in a good condition. So, maganda pa siya. Maganda rin yung color niya. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. Like that. Or here. It also comes with a longer strap. So, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Or even a crossbody bag. Okay? It's soft leather. Magaan siya. Hindi siya mabigat. So, here's your Valentino tote bag. Okay, this is only right there. So, like I said, DM me on IG. Okay. Next. So, now, on to the mini bags. So, I have here a Michael Kors crossbody bag in this beautiful red color right here. Okay, so this is in excellent pristine condition. Napaka galing nung nag-alaga ng bag na ito. Sobrang kompleto pa lahat. Ultimo yung tags niya, andyan pa. Ultimo yung tissue paper ng MK. Ultimo yung plastic niya, andyan pa lahat. So, napaka-linis. I guarantee you that. Okay? So, if you want to see it when worn, here. Diba? Super cute. Alam niyo ba, bumili ako ng MK bag sa MK store sa Linda. It is 16,000 pesos. Ang brand new na ganito kaliit na bag sa MK natin. So, this one is only under 10,000. It's now flashing on your screen. It looks new. It feels new. Great buy. Super steel. So, DM me. Okay? Here. Mahal yan sa Greenbelt. Promise. Okay, next bag is another Michael Kors bag. Crossbody bag, but in this beautiful brown color. Here. There. Okay? So, ito naman ang cute. Hindi siya clasp or button. Inaalis talaga siya. Ano ba to? Ayun. Ganun siya. Cute lang. Nakaiba. So, ganun din siya. Ang linis-linis niya. Andun pa yung tissue paper ng MK. Andyan yung plastic ng MK. So, kumpleto. Andyan ang tag sa loob. Okay. So, ito naman siya kapag sinuot mo. Here. There. So, bagay siya sa kahit na anong damit. Formal event. Casual, funky look. Ayan. So, this is also selling below 10,000. Okay. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll give you more discount. Okay, next is this long shank. So this long shank is in a medium size. So kita niyo meron siyang dirt marks here agad. Ayan, papakita ko na sa inyo agad. Right? So meron din siyang pen marks at the bottom. So ito pa. Okay, other than that, wala. Ito na yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, ayan siya. Okay, sa loob, let's see. Malinis naman yung loob niya. Kita? Malinis siya. Wala rin amoy kulob. Hindi siya mabaho. So, in good condition. Okay? So, the price of this bag is now flashing on your screens. Okay, sobrang selling low. Grab it now. Para hindi kayo maunahan ng iba. Next. Is this LV. LV bag. In Berlin leather. Ayan. So, ito siya. Ayan. Okay. Bagay ito sa mga mommies. Okay, kung gusto nyo mag-early Mother's Day gift sa inyong mga moms out there na mura and below 15,000. So, ano na yun? Alam nyo na, gagawin nyo. Okay? Yung loob, ito siya. Yan. So, malaki naman siya. Meron siya kasama yung LV tags niya and booklet. Okay? Below 15,000. Price is now flashing on your screen. Perfect for a Mother's Day gift. Okay? Yummy! So, for this Easter Sunday sale, lahat ng bags ko are below 40,000 except for this one. Okay? So, ito lang yung bag na more than 40,000 meters. So, ito ay LV Alma BB. Okay? In the May bean color. So, it comes with a long strap. Sobrang ganda nito, girls. Okay, and it's still in perfect, excellent condition. Here. It's a tiny, cute bag. Okay, that sells 78,000 in Greenbelt. Brand new. Okay? So, if you're after this bag and doesn't mind a pre-loved one and you don't want to spend 76,000 in Greenbelt, so ano na siya. This is only around that price now showing up on your screen. It is in excellent condition. Wala siyang scratches. Okay, nada. Okay. At the bottom part. Okay, it still smells new. The inside is right here. Maliit lang siya. Maliit lang siya. Cute bag. Kita? Okay. Okay. Alright. So again, Alma BB. So, alam niyo na. Subscribe on my channel. I'll give you a discount for this bag. Next, on to the wallet. So, meron tayo mga wallets ngayon. So, this one I think I released last week, but I haven't posted it on my IGP yet. So, this is a Kate Spade wristlet. Okay. Pag aalis kayo, kung grocery kayo, ayaw nyo ng marami pipit-bit. This is in excellent condition. There. Okay. This is now selling low, flashing on your screens. EME. Next wallet is a Coach wallet. Yan. So, Coach wallet naman to. Napakamura niya. It's still in great condition. Same may-ari of the MK bags. Super galing mag-alaga ng gamit. Okay. Okay. Price is now flashing on your screens. Huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Okay. DME. Next is the Michael Kors long wallet. So this is also the property of that person na sobrang alaga sa bag. Meron siyang initial dito, but we were able to remove it nicely. Not sure if you still see it. Okay. May mark pa siya nung initials niya. Pero the gold lettering, we're able to remove it properly. Because like I said, we invested in luxury bags materials. Okay? So, ang linis niya, para siyang bago. It looks super new. Ang dami niyang card slots here. And over here is yung bills compartment. So, ito yung sa coins. Yan. So, ang linis niya as in, wala siyang kamarka-marka ng pagkagamit. The tags are still here. The plastic, the tissue, everything is still with me. Okay? Price now flashing on your screens. Selling low. Get this now. DME. Girls. Next is a Kate Spade clutch. Here. Okay? It's a Kate Spade big wallet clutch. Here. So, ayan siya. Okay? It's also in excellent condition. All the tags are here. The plastic is with me. So, it's like you're buying a brand new clutch wallet. Okay? So, the price is now flashing on your screens. Ito naman is my croc style design siya. It's not a plain leather. Okay? Extra pa, ha? Next is this is for the boys. This is an Armani I don't know what this is called. Organizer. Sabi na asawa ko. So, ito yung credit card slots, currency, ano ba to? O, airline tickets for the businessmen out there. Passports, business cards, money. Okay? So, yan siya. It's still in pretty great condition. Ballpen slot here. Boarding pass. So, pang travel pala siya talaga. Travel organized. Okay? Gusto ko to, ah. Alright? So, bago kayo maunahan, DM nyo na ako. Next. Okay, so we have here an unused Gucci bifold wallet na napaka-cute. Super. Alright, kung ayaw nyo, ako na lang bibili na to. Pag pinayagan ako ng asawa ko. So, ayan siya. May card slots siya dito. Bills compartment na. Ito. Ito siya. And ito yung coin purse niya. Or cards. Card holder. Ayan. Okay, so it comes with the tags and the box. Sobrang cute. It's in a pink Guccisima print or leather. So, ayan siya. Okay, this is selling low, flashing on your screens. Sobrang layo ng difference niya sa brand new price. So, bago ko kayo maunahan, pakibili na siya. Pakitulungan ako sa temptations. Okay? So, ayan, girls. Next is this beautiful Chanel coin purse. Pinopost ko pa rin siya, pero sabi ng kapatid ko, kukunin niya na itong coin purse na to. Okay, para lang matreten siya. Siguradong kunin niya. Okay, it comes with everything. With the dust bag, the box, the ribbon, the care card. So, ito siya. It's a coin purse or a card holder in caviar leather. It is in pristine condition. It looks brand new. So, as you open it, ito siya. Okay? The hologram is here. Kita? Okay? And the authenticity card is right here. Yeah. There. Okay? So, ayan. Okay? For reference, the price will be flashing on your screen, but my sister already confirmed if she does not pay by Monday, ibibigay ko sa iba to. Okay, next. Is a Prada coin or card holder. So it comes with a box and a paper bag. Kompleto to. It's a brand new unkept item. Oh, anak, i-hold this. Hold mo to. Para may magawa ka. So, ito siya. Here. Okay. And, oh yeah, sige, give it to daddy. There. It also has an insert here for the cards. Here. Yan. Okay. So, dito yung card niya. Hindi kita? Yan. Okay. So, this is kept unused. Okay. So, there you go. May ako nababalik pa. Okay. DM me on IG if you want to get this one. Okay. And then we have a pre-love Tory Burch flats, ballet flats in great condition. And this is in size 7. Okay. Meron lang sa mga discoloration here. Slight discoloration and a little bit of scratch here. Na mababaw lang naman. Alright. A little bit of discoloration. Okay. So price is now flashing on your screens. If you want to get this, if you're a size 7 and in search of good condition Tory Burch ballet flats, grab this now. Alright girls, on to the last few pieces for today's luxury haul. Let's start with this Yossi Sampra ballet flats. Here. Comes with a box and a dust bag. And ayan siya. Help. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, this is in size, anong size na sa box? 8. Okay, this is in size 8. Okay. The price is now flashing on your screens for this Space Saver ballet flats. Okay. Next is this cute Prada bag. It's a vintage Prada bag. In good condition. Has this compartment on the front and a bigger compartment here. Okay? So, I guess this can be worn as a belt bag. Can be as a sling bag, shoulder bag, like this. Or, if ako ang gagamit, I would use it as belt bag. Ganito ko sinusuot yung mga belt bag ko. Yan. This can also be adjusted. To. So, pwede rin siya dito. As a real belt bag. Right here. Na-adjust niya lang yung strap. Okay? So, mura siya. As in, sobrang mura niya. I guess, mabibenta to agad. So, bilisan din na lang mag-PM. Okay? So, the price of this bag is now flashing on your screens. If you are interested, DM me on IG. Next. This cute Gucci polo bag. There. Okay? So, ayan. This is in good condition. Meron siyang mga minor scratches here. Dahil sa katandaan. And on the edges of here. Okay, and this one. Right here. Ayan yung mga edge talaga. Mga scuffings lang. Okay, here's the Gucci logo. Pero, sa ilalim din, meron din kayong matatagpuan na similar minor scuffings. Ayan, gas-gas. Here. Okay? Pero yung katawan niya, no stains. Maganda pa siya tingnan sa loob. Let's see. Okay, ayan siya sa loob. Malinis siya. Okay? So, the cost of this bag is flashing on your screens. So, cute lang siya. It's a cute little bag that is selling very low. If you want to own your first Gucci bag. So, ito siya. Ganda. Okay? And another item, the same owner, is inside the bag. It's a Christian Dior gold-plated necklace. See? So, ayan. It's a very cute Christian Dior necklace. Okay, the price of this necklace is now flashing on your screens. So, it's a fashion accessory. Okay? Right. Next. Is this orange Prada bag. It's also a vintage Prada bag. Vintage design. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin like this. So, mababa lang yung price nito. Now flashing on your screens. So, but of course, don't expect something that is a, a brand new or almost new condition. Meron siyang mga pen stains here. Here. On the handle, the body, however, is okay. No major stains, just dotted dirts. Okay. Inside of the bag is also clean. Okay. It comes with the Prada Authenticity card. Here. Here. Right here. Okay. So the price of this bag again is now flashing on your screens. If you want a very affordable Prada summer bag, okay, get this one. Next. This is YSL Croc Skin design. It's not really Croc Skin. Okay, this is in the large size. Purple color. Here. Also use it as a shoulder bag. Right there. It's so poppy lang. Okay, but if hindi naman ganun ka-poppy, perfect shoulder bag din siya. But it's more nice as, a hand. Okay, this bag is only there, flashing on your screen. Okay, it's still in good condition. Okay, expect some scuffings here. And on the bottom corner parts, there. Okay? Alright, next bag. This is Prada bag. Ang ganda yung Prada ngayon. this one is in excellent condition, nice blue color. It also comes with a dust bag and the cards here. Here, okay? It's the cards and the tags, okay? So, excellent condition. Maganda pa siya. Okay. Look. Okay, no tear, no scuffings. Nada. Nothing. Okay, it's a soft leather bag. So, hindi siya sobrang bigat with a long strap. You can wear it as a, you know, shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. It's a huge bag. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. Pero magaan ka. Promise. Okay, next bag is another Prada bag. It's also a vintage Prada bag design. Okay, this one is selling really low because marami siyang stains at the back. Yung front naman niya is in great condition. Wala siyang obvious stains or scratches or pen marks. But the back, andun lahat ng battle scars niya. Okay? So, kita nyo, ang dami niyang dumi. Yan. I'm not sure kung pwede siyang alisin ng bags pa. So, that I can't promise you. But then again, the handles are clean. No, walang mga bakbak or anything. For the price naman, eh, sulit na rin. Okay? You don't mind these flaws at the back. Since hindi naman siya kita. Oh, see? If you're wearing it like this, hindi naman siya makikita. Okay, you don't wear a bag like this naman. Diba? So, for the price now posted on your screens, it's still worth it. Next. Yeah. Michael Kors. This Michael Kors is like a bucket bag. Okay, ang flaw lang niya is meron siyang dirt over here. Okay, do you see it? So, yun lang yung major flaw niya. But, it's still in an excellent condition. Okay, so it also comes with the long strap so that you can use it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Here. Okay, so pwede siya shoulder bag like that or a crossbody bag like this. See? Girls? Okay, still looks new apart from the slight dirt over here. Still super steel. Okay, price is now flashing on your screens. Okay, if you want an MK bag at an affordable price, yan ay. Next. Alright. This is a Kate Spade bag. Super ganda ng kulay niya. As in, it's like a sky blue color. Very, very light. It's like a pastel blue color. So, meron lang siyang mga faded colors on the handle. Kita? May mga faded parts lang siya. Okay? It also can be used as a shoulder bag because it has this long strap. Right here. For me, I think I would wear this as an overnighter bag. Pag meron yung overnight, kasi lahat ang gamit nyo for overnight. Kung hindi kayo huge packer ka. Huge siya. Ganda ng kulay niya. Price is low. Flashing on your screens now. Okay, next. Last two pieces for the Easter Sunday sale is a Kate Spade bag. Here. There. So it's in this lime green color. Huge compartment. And in excellent condition. Handles are still good. corners feel good. Okay, so this is selling really low. Okay, if you're at an affordable case bag and you don't want to spend a lot, so grab this, girl. Lastly, for today's haul is this huge travel bag. I don't know how to pronounce this. Help me, girls. Moschino. Okay, I don't know. I have to research. It comes with this long strap. Hang on. Yeah. It's like a varsity bag. It's kept unused, brand new. And if you want to travel, or if you're a heavy packer for an overnight gimmick, or staycation or vacation, this is a very colorful, fun bag to use. Alright? So, ang ganda niya. Gusto ko nga siya eh. Kaso, makakatay na ako ng asawa ko. Pag lahat ng gusto ko ay binili ko. Okay? So, ayan siya. Prices na flashing on your screens. Ang laki niya. Ang dami niyong pwedeng malagay. Okay? Kasya isang bata. Alright? Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are the items for my Easter Sunday sale. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will be publishing authentic versus fake vlogs soon in the next couple of days. So subscribe on my channel para matutunan natin kung paano mag-identify ng mga fake versus real luxury items. Okay? So I hope i-DM nyo ako if you have the items that you want to get. DM me on IG.